Hey guys, let me show y'all how I made these cheesecake stuffed apples. Today we're only gonna make one and it's gonna be strawberry crunch, of course. Number one, you're gonna wanna start off with a clean apple. I prefer Granny Smith, you use whatever you like. Next, I like to cut off just a little bit of the top. Use whatever chocolate you like. Me personally, I like to use the Ghirardelli white chocolate melts. Cheaper alternative to that, because they did just go up with the price on Ghirardelli, you could use almond bark. You can get that at Walmart, Food Lion, Target, if you shop there. But that's not my business, you do you. Once you're done heating up your chocolate, it should be nice and smooth. Anyways, in the meantime, we're gonna get our toppings ready. Like I said, we're doing strawberry crunch. This is my homemade strawberry crunch. If you want the recipe, y'all know I'll be stingy with the recipes, but I'll give you that one, just as nicely. And you're also gonna want some fresh chopped up strawberries, because what is strawberry crunch without fresh strawberries? Anyways, you're gonna wanna take one of these nice thick sticks. You can find these at Hobby Lobby. Y'all already know baking things in Hobby Lobby is always 50% off. Nice. Next, you're gonna wanna dip your apple in the chocolate. Watch. Oh, oops. Dip. You want it nice and evenly covered. The thing about these are it doesn't have to be dipped pretty because you're gonna be covering it and stuff anyways. Next, we're gonna immediately dip it while it's still wet into our strawberry crunch. It looks something like this. We're gonna set it and let the chocolate harden. While you're waiting for your apple to harden, you can go ahead and get your cream cheese filling ready. Now you're probably thinking, oh, she's just gonna put the cheesecake on top of the apple. I told you it's a cheesecake stuffed apple, so we're gonna hollow it out. You're gonna wanna take an ice cream scoop, one of these type, not your traditional ice cream scoop. Stick it in the apple, twist, twist, twist. Oops. I like to go till I'm all the way out to the bottom because I don't want to be skimpy whenever it comes to the cheesecake filling. Now we start to fill up our apple around halfway. Here's your fillings. Once you put in your fillings, top the rest with the cheesecake. There you have a cheesecake stuffed apple, and now we're just going to do our toppings and make it look real cute and presentable. Ignore this mess, okay? My storage keeps on filling up, so I guess we'll just use my other phone. Anyway, strawberry, golden Oreo. If you were wanting to make these to sell them, I use a muffin container. Everything fits nice and perfect in there. Bon appetit. Hope you enjoy.